to the sea for a getaway. Car top down and we're driving just to feel young. Moving away to the sea, moving away, can't you see? Sand in your feet, feel the breeze in the summertime. Stars in the sky, one dime for a first time. Moving away to the sea, moving away, can't you see? We'll drink honey by the ocean, it's our favorite potion. Come on baby, let me tell you one time that our days will never end, yeah. No, our days will never end, yeah. No. Come on baby, let me tell you one time that our fire got a love it till you never break apart. And we moving away to the sea, moving away, can't you see?
Oke guys, kita menuju pantai yang sangat indah luar biasa. Kita nge-trip, my adventure.
We were both young when I first saw you. I close my eyes and the flashback starts. I'm standing there on a balcony in summer air. See the lights, see the party, the ball gowns. See you make your way through the crowd and say hello. Little did I know that you were Romeo, you were throwing pebbles, and my daddy said stay away from Juliet. And I was crying on the staircase, begging you please don't go. And I said, Romeo, take me somewhere we can be alone. I'll be waiting, all there's left to do is run. You'll be the prince and I'll be the princess. It's a love story, baby, just say yes. So I sneak out to the garden.
Hei,
Quiet, 'cause we're dead if they
ya
knew.
gimana ya?
Nakajapin guys, nakajapin. Lagi ini ano.
Oh, 'cause you were Romeo, I was a scarlet letter, and my daddy said stay away from Juliet.
My trip, my adventure. Good. Gimana bang? Keren sekali, amazing kali, kayak tempatnya masih tersembunyi. Jadi hanya orang-orang yang mampu untuk mendaki naik gunung bebatuan itu yang sanggup. My trip, my adventure.
I'll be the princess, it's a love story.
My trip, my adventure.
Either trying to tell me how to feel. This love is difficult, but it's a real. Don't be afraid, we'll make it out of this mess. It's a love story, baby, just say yes. I got tired of waiting, wondering if you were ever coming around. My faith in you was fading when I met you on the outskirts of town, and I said, Romeo, save me. I've been feeling so alone. I keep waiting for you, but you never come. Is this in my head? I don't know.